Lesson 5. Color Theory. These are colors. This is a color wheel. We can use a color wheel to pick different combinations of colors. Choosing colors on opposing sides of the wheel tends to make your drawing look more balanced and therefore more visually appealing. However, which color combinations you should use depends on the story you want to tell. As an exercise, draw your subject again, except now using full color. Well done. Next, draw a scene based on the things you've been drawing in the series, except this time use everything we've learned up to this point, including color. With color, you can bring your drawings to life even more. This is the final lesson in this tutorial series for Level 0 beginners. Learning to draw isn't something that you can completely master in a day, or a week, or a month. For many, it is a journey of a lifetime. So feel free to continue using this tutorial series, going through it in iterative cycles, to experiment and learn new things to draw, as well as checking the blog post to see what else you can do in terms of next steps in your journey to becoming a better artist.